Welcome! In Step 4 of Module 3 Design, we'll learn how to add a battery to a project in Solargraph using battery design. Let's get started. First, navigate to your company settings. Here, select Design Tool Default Settings. You'll find a section labeled Battery Design. In this section, you can adjust the default settings for the battery design tool, including default target backup duration, default bill offset, default self-consumption, default battery reserve. Make the necessary changes and save your settings. Next, go to the battery pricing section, and you'll find the option called Default Battery for New Projects. Modify this setting to reflect the batteries with current pricing. Verify that your pricing is accurate and save any changes. Now we can access the battery design tool. The battery design tool can be used for both new and existing projects. For this, we'll go ahead and add a battery to an existing project. With roof design and solar design complete, we can opt to add a battery system to our proposal. In this case, we will be adhering to the specific needs of the California solar market. When adding a battery, you'll notice that the manufacturer and series are pre-filled based on your default settings. First, select the manufacturer and product range that you'd like to design with. In this case, we'll be using Enphase IQ5P. Confirm if you intend to install a grid-tied battery, meaning backup will not be supported. Choose the battery mode: self-consumption, savings with exports, or backup during outages. For this example, select savings with export mode and proceed. Solargraph will suggest a battery system that meets the requested criteria. You may change the selected size as required. Solargraph allows users to compare battery options. The user experience is designed to help installers compare different battery sizes based on critical metrics for the selected battery mode. For savings with exports, the primary metrics used will be net savings, ROI, payback period, and bill offset. You can view more options by clicking the relevant button to explore additional battery choices. To compare a secondary metric, such as grid independence or backup durations, expand the accordion menu. If you switch to grid-tied battery in self-consumption mode, the primary metric will change to grid independence, bill offset, net savings, ROI. The secondary metrics will include the payback period. Once satisfied with your recommendations, you can select a different battery if needed. For instance, if the recommendation is a 20 kilowatt hour battery, but you prefer a 10 kilowatt hour option, select it from the checkbox and save. Finally, go to the proposal section to confirm the added battery and review its impact. Ensure everything is correct, as shown in the proposal with our 10 kilowatt hour battery in self-consumption mode.